Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this new video I'm going to show you how to download Affinity by Canva on your Windows PC. So Affinity is a new software that is designed by the Canva creator, and the main word for this software is it's a rival of Photoshop. You can edit and create a vector design or edit your photos just like the Photoshop. So it is a direct competitor and is currently going for free. uh so so let's start the video. And first of all, go to your browser and here just type Affinity by Canva. So here you can see there are two searches that is showing that this apps is from Canva, and this is their official website, affinity.studio. Click it, and here you can see the Affinity by Canva is now for $0 for free, but you have to sign up to download. If you have already a Canva account, you can sign up through that account and you can download it free. Otherwise you can just easily create a Canva account by your Gmail. It's a pretty straightforward process. I'm gonna select sign up to download, and here is my Canva account. So I'm gonna just select continue. Select continue, and here are two options: Mac, download for Mac OS or Windows. So I'm gonna select for Windows, and I'm gonna select this SIEXZ64. Just click it, and as you can see, it's already starting to download. It says 640 MB software, so you have to wait for a few minutes to download, finish the download depending on your internet speed. So let's wait for it. As you can see, the download is almost completed, but I'm gonna tell you something. To download it only from their official website. It's a new application and the creator is giving it for free for now. If you have a Canva account, you can download it for free, as I already showed you. So make sure you download it from their official website, no third party. So after completing the download, yeah, it's almost done. Now I'm gonna open it to the containing folder. Just click by clicking that. After that, all I have to do is double click it to start the installation process. Select run, and as you can see, you can change the installation directory, but I'm gonna keep it as it is, and select install. Select yes, and it is preparing for installing on your PC. The installation is progressing, and as you can see, the setup completed successfully. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to double click it to open the software for the first time. It already created a shortcut for my desktop, so you don't have to create on your own. And as you can see, the software is loading on my PC. Affinity by Canva, this is the latest version, and the new software designed by Canva developer, and this is exactly what is Photoshop do. The vector design, the Photoshop, and also creating design that we usually do on the Photoshop application. This is a rival apps for from Canvas, and this is for free right now. So you don't please don't wait before it's get paid. All you have to need a Canva account, pre-existing, or create a new Canva account and download it as soon as possible, because I don't know how many days it will be on free trial, so we have to grab it as soon as we can. So as you can see, for the first time, it's taking a bit of time, because this is loading all the fonts, all the data, and collecting everything for us to use. And now click login or sign up. Just click it, and it will bring you back to the website. This is only for logging, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna just select continue. I'm gonna click it and select open. And now, as you can see, the logging is successful. It was taking a bit of time, so I have to do it a couple of times to log in successfully. And this is the setup page. Just select skip and click continue. I'm not gonna watch a tutorial. You can do that if you want. Start creating, and now you can create a lot of things like the vector, pixel, layout, and Canva AI. They are offering AI as well. So use your creativity and start creating. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.